The next design involves 4 measurements. Before the training intervention, both the training group and the comparison group are measured. Both groups are then measured once more after the training group completes the training. We start by looking for changes between the training group's pre-training scores and post-training scores to determine whether change occurred for the training group. Then we compare the 2 groups' pre-training scores. If they're similar, and they should be if we used random assignment, we can move forward with our analysis. If they are different, we can't determine whether training was the cause of any post changes we identify. It could be that the 2 groups were different to begin with. Finally, we compare the 2 groups' post-training scores. If the training group experienced significantly greater change than the comparison group, we might have evidence that the training was the cause of the change. If both groups experience the same amount of change, another factor other than training likely caused it.